So, Hanae Eyelash Serum is marketed as a daily treatment designed to make lashes look fuller, longer, and healthier. The brand also promotes thousands of reviews, but I'd look beyond those numbers before deciding if the product is actually worth it. The biggest thing the marketing doesn't say is that the product's claims are largely about improving the appearance and conditioning of lashes, rather than proving permanent lash growth. In fact, another retailer describes the serum in terms of supporting fuller-looking lashes and daily lash care, while its listing currently has no product reviews of its own. I'd also be careful about where you buy it. Hanae sells the serum directly, but the same product is appearing through third-party marketplace sellers at significantly different prices, so check the seller, ingredients, and return policy before ordering. So, is Hanae Eyelash Serum worth buying? It may be useful as a conditioning cosmetic, but I wouldn't expect dramatic or guaranteed lash growth just because the advertising makes those results look easy. Overall, I'd treat Hanae as a cosmetic lash care product rather than a proven hair growth treatment, and patch test carefully around the eyes before regular use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.